Welcome student in my maths step-by-step class. In today's we will do fraction part 11 and I am happy that I am getting a very positive response. Many of you are learning. So today we will do how to write missing terms of the equivalent fraction. This is again one of the most important question which is asked in exams. So this question will go in senior classes also. So let's start. Fraction is given to you 2 upon 5 and 8 upon block. Block is there or fill up. You can think fill up also. So you have to fill the blank. Okay, this is the missing term. I have written to save the time and to make you understand fast. So 2 upon 5 equal to 8 upon what? So see 2 and here 8. Numerator is becoming 8. If numerator is increasing, that means you have to multiply the numerator with a particular number. So you can make it easily that 2 4s are 8. So that means 2 4s are 8. And you have to multiply the denominator also with 4. So when you multiply 5 4s are, it will come 20. So you will fill the number 20 here. Right? You have to think in your mind and compare the number. After this 3 upon 8 and 8 is becoming 16. That means 8 2s are 8. That means we have to multiply numerator with 2 also. So here 3 2s are 6 and 8 2s are 16. So we get 6 upon 16. So we have to write here 6. 6 is the correct answer. After this 3 upon 8, 15 upon what? So 3 5s are 15. That means 8 5s are 40. So we will write. I have written for you to make you understand. But this you will not do in your school notebook or in rough work. Rough work you can do but not with the question. Okay. I have written just to make you understand. After this 45 upon 72. Here 5. Number is decreasing. So if number is decreased, that means you will divide. So you have to divide both numerator and denominator, or first you have to divide only numerator because we have to find the number. So we know that 9 5s are 45. That means 45 divided by 9. So 5. That means we have to divide 72 by 9. So answer will be 5 upon 8. So we will write here 8. Then 7 upon 12. 7 upon 12. So 12 is becoming 84. Here that means we have to multiply this by some number. So we know that 12 7s are 84. Right? That means we have to multiply numerator with 7. 7 7s are 49. So we can easily make this. But if you have any confusion, you can just make sure multiplying in rough also. Rough work is very important. But if you are confident, you can do directly. But for junior students, they can check their answers like this. F 18 upon 21. 18 is becoming 6. Again less. That means it is dividing. So 18 divided by 3. That is, then we get 6. That means we have to divide 21 with 3 also. So answer is 7. So we will write here 7. So in simplest form we have also done this. 3 6 are 18 and 3 7s are 21. So we can make our mind and we can do as we wish. So another type of question is this. Complete the pattern and write the next 3 fractions for the following. So next 3 fractions, that means they are equivalent fractions. So equivalent fractions we have done. So I think these are not difficult for you. See, in these types of patterns we can do like this. 3 upon 11 is given to you and the 3 upon 11 is 6 upon 22. Then 9 upon 33. You can easily make clear that they are multiplying with 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we can fill the blocks like this. 3 4s are 12, 11 4s are 44, 3 5s are 15, 11 5s are 55, 3 6 are 18, 11 6 are 66. So we can follow the pattern. Like here also 4 upon 7 is 8 upon 14. From second pattern you can easily make clear that you have to multiply or you have to divide. Or what you have to do. You have to increase or decrease. Numbers are increasing, that means you have to multiply. So 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20 and 4 6s are 24. Like 7 also, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 28, 35, 42. They are not so difficult. You can easily make it clear. So 2 upon 5, 4 upon 10, 6 upon 15. So again 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6. That means they are equivalent fractions. So here 2 4 ja 8, 2 5 ja 10, 2 6 ja 12 and 5 4 ja 20, 5 5 ja 25 and 5 6 ja 30. So you can easily write 8 upon 20, 10 upon 25, 12 upon 30. After this last question is 90 upon 100 and equal to 81 upon 90 equal to 72 upon 80. So see, if we will change them into simplest form, they are 9 upon 10. So 9 upon 10 is decreasing, or this pattern is in the backward form. So here 9 9 ja, 9 10 ja, 8 9 ja, right, 9 9 ja, this one, and 9 10 ja, 8 9 ja and 8 10 ja, then 7 9 ja, 7 10 ja, 6 9 ja, 6 10 ja, and this is 5 9 ja and 5 10 ja. So we will write here 7 9 ja 63 and 7 10 ja 70, 6 9 ja 54, 6 10 ja 60. If we will cut them in simplest form, so answer will come 9 upon 10. So I think all is clear to you, or I can make you sure like this. If you will cancel it, 9 9 ja, this 10 9 ja 90 and 10 10 ja 100, like, and this is this one 9 9 ja 81 and 9 10 ja 90. Here also this one 8 9 ja and 8 10 ja. So here this one 7 9 ja, you can see, I am making you clear that how you will do. So all are equivalent fraction. So 6 9 ja and 6 10 ja and 5 9 ja and 5 10 ja. So you have to fill like this, and I hope all is clear to you, and watch this video again and again, and all questions are important. Do practice, and see you in next class.